everyone. I'm Arshia Sultan from Newsroom of DPS Kolar Road, Bhopal. Remember that schools are not closed. Schools buildings are closed. Teachers and staff are working harder than ever. In this pandemic situation of COVID-19, when everybody is locked down, our teachers are really working hard. Entire month is gone. We have completed our syllabus. Virtual classes are going on. Now, let me take you to class 2A. Miss Reena Saha, 2B of Miss Devika, 2C of Mala Sharma, 2D of Miss Sheetal Sasin and 2E of Miss Damini Patna. They are having interaction with parents of our young dipsents.
Shaha from DPS Kolar. As we all know, due to novel coronavirus, the schools have been locked down and we have started with our online virtual classes. This was the first time in DPS Kolar we had an online competition on the occasions of Earth Day. Today we have the students of class 2 who will tell us more about the competition, whether they have enjoyed or not. So over to class 2 student Arab. Hello Arab, did you enjoy the competition?
Arab, how did you feel when you heard about the online competition?
I feel so great and excited a lot.
What preparation did you do for this competition?
I cut some flowers, leaves and stems from my old books.
Did you enjoy the competition? Did you learn anything from it?
Yes, I enjoyed my online competition a lot and I learned from it. Then we can make best out of waste.
Now I have Mrs. Romsha Sharma, the mother of Natik Sharma of 2A. She is going to give her views on the competition which was held on Earth Day. Ma'am, did you feel this type of competition really helps our children?
Of course, in this tough time where we all have limited resources, our children showed their creative skills at their level best. As a parent, I am thankful to DPS Kolar management and teachers for their tremendous hard work for shaping our children in more creative manner.
Good morning. I am Devika Verma reporting from Delhi Public School, Kolar Road, Bhopal. Today we have Ashrika Singh of class 2 from Delhi Public School, Kolar Road, Bhopal. Hello Ashrika. Ashrika, can you say something about the importance of co-scholastic activities which you might be attending at home? Means, how do you feel after attending those activities? And which activity do you like the most?
Hello ma'am, thanks for inviting me. We know that whole world is facing the problem of coronavirus. In this situation, school is organizing online classes which is commendable. Attending dance classes, yoga classes, music classes and art classes online is great. But I love dance classes. I feel happy. I learn lot of new steps. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Now we have Miss Mona Garg, one of our parents from Delhi Public School, Kolar Road, Bhopal. Hello ma'am. Apart from academics, school focuses on participation in co-scholastic activities like yoga, music, dance, art and craft and many others. Do you think school is parallelly focusing on these activities also, or the focus is only on academics? If yes, then how far do you think then these activities are helping your child and other children? And are these activities fruitful?
Hello ma'am. COVID-19 pandemic has put in danger the entire human life and obviously impacted the education sector. Looking to such continuous lockdowns, I would like to congratulate DPS Kolar for finding this attractive method of teaching through virtual classes. These classes are keeping children updated with the knowledge they deserve to acquire. DPS Kolar, however, is not only focusing on academics but giving equal focus to the child's personality development through these online co-scholastic activity classes. All-round development of a child is always a major focus of your school's curriculum, and you are achieving it successfully in this pandemic phase too. these post-scholastic activities are refreshing up my child's mind, which is very much necessary these days, man. As you know, in this lockdown, we cannot go outside, so for any other outdoor activities. So these post-scholastic activities are very much helping him. His learning experience, coordination skills, team integrity, all are improving with these post-scholastic activities, ma'am. He enjoys these classes a lot. For this, thank you so much to all the respected teachers for their special efforts and especially DPS Kolar. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. This is Bala Sharma, class teacher of class 2C. Here with us is Mrs. Sonia Arora, section mother. Ma'am, I'd like to ask you one question. What did you find best in the English lessons taught to the children during online classes?
Good morning all. English is a wonderful subject, and in online classes it is explained very beautifully by the teachers. Both English grammar and English literature are explained, but I find English grammar best. First, explanation is given. After that, it is explained by the teachers in expanded form. It is also cross-checked by the teachers, either students understood it or not. Exercise is also given over there and students take a lot of interest in it. It is like one-to-one basis. That's why I find English grammar best. Thank you.
Anna Chandel of class 2C. I'd like to ask her a question. In which topic of English you enjoyed the most and what did you learn from it?
The topic I enjoyed most is punctuation, in which I learned how to use different types of marks used into sentence. Also, I enjoyed the story of Camel and the Treasure, which give us the message of being kind heart.
I'm Ms. Sheetal Sasan, reporting from Delhi Public School, Kolar Road, Bhopal. Today, we have one of our parents with us. Hello, Mrs. Jain. Ma'am, I want to know, like our country these days is facing the situation of COVID-19. So, we have switched from traditional learning to virtual learning for our kids. So, how much virtual learning is beneficial for your child? Whether your child is able to understand the concepts taught by the teacher, especially in mathematics. Ma'am, please share your views with us.
This is Dr. Ruchita Jain, mother of Rehans Jain. I really like the traditional school classes, but during this COVID-19 lockdown, the online classes are very beneficial and very helpful. By these classes, the students can connect to their studies and can build up their skills at home only. The mathematics classes are also very interesting. The way of teaching is very easy and very smart. But I really like those small videos which are based on the subjects, and by these videos are very child friendly and child can easily understand the concept.
Next we have one of our students, Vihan Mishra from class 2D. Hello Vihan. Vihan, as we are having online classes, so Vihan, I want to know what all you have learnt in your mathematics class. What all topics were covered by your teacher and were they beneficial for you? Were you able to understand the concepts of mathematics?
Good morning, ma'am. Nice to see you, ma'am. Ma'am, we have learned many topics like ascending and descending numbers, odd number and even number, greater than and smaller than number, number name up to 1000, expanded form. Ma'am, Zoom classes are very helpful. It's an interactive session to learn things. Thank you, ma'am, for all your support. Bye-bye, ma'am.
Good morning. My name is Damini Patwa from Delhi Public School, Kolar Road. Today we have Mrs. Abha Gulani, one of the parents from TPS family. Hello, ma'am. I welcome you. So, ma'am, according to you, do you think that the online classes provide the right amount of theoretical and practical knowledge to your child? I mean, were you satisfied with the EVS lesson, that is body and health, or inside my body, which were covered in our Zoom classes?
Myself, Abha Gulani, Rohan Gulani's mother. In the present situation where regular schools cannot be conducted, online teaching is a good option for teaching students. Although it's a new mode of teaching, teachers of DPS Kolar are doing their best and trying very hard for teaching students. I thank all the teachers and team DPS.
Now we have Advika Mishra, the student of class 2 from Delhi Public School, Kolar Road. Hello Advika. So Advika, as we have studied EVS chapters in our Zoom classes, Body and Health and Inside My Body. So can you tell me what you have learned from these two lessons?
This lesson I have learned about external body parts, internal body parts and its function like hands, cheeks, ears, chest, ankle and legs. And I also learned internal body parts. Brain helps to think and control all the body parts. Heart pumps all the time and circulate the blood. Lungs help us to breathe. Stomach digests the food. Thank you.
Results have come out well of Zoom classes. The children are very excited for the celebrations and activities. They enjoyed a lot during these classes and hope we will come out of this COVID-19 situation very soon. Have a blessed day. Thank you.